Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself, Dimas Septiana, Relational Database Service Fundamental by Alibaba Cloud. What is Apsara DB-RDS? Apsara DB-RDS or Relational Database Service is Alibaba Cloud's fully managed online relational database service. This means that Alibaba Cloud take care of all the operational aspect of your database service. It offers 5 core benefits. Use Apsara DB-RDS. First, multiple database engine. Choose the engine that fits your needs. Number two, easy scalability and operation. Quickly scale resource with minimal effort. Number three, manage service. Alibaba Cloud handle all database management from backup to monitoring. Number four, high perform. Ensure your application run fast efficiently. Number five, high availability. Guaranteed your database remain online and accessible. Traditional database and Apsara DB-RDS. Traditional database, building a database involve many steps, preparing hardware, installing OS, installing software, configuration, and tweaking. This take 3 until 5 hours and require high expertise. Apsara DB-RDS. With Apsara DB-RDS, you simply choose your database and pay. Your database is ready. Less than 10 minutes. Apsara DB-RDS eliminate complexity, allow to focus on development, not setup. Where RDS set in the Apsara system. This diagram illustrates Apsara DB-RDS as an integral part of the Alibaba Cloud ecosystem. At the very bottom, very bottom, we have the data center, and above it, the Linux cluster, which from the physical foundation and basic operating system. Foundation is built open data center and Linux cluster. Infrastructure layer is supported by foundational service like security management and distributed coordination. Core services sit at the top layer alongside ECS, OSS, and other key platform service. All services are accessible via open APIs. In essence, Apsara DB-RDS is fully integrated key component within the robust and comprehensive Apsara architecture. Apsara DB-RDS service architecture. This diagram illustrates how Apsara DB-RDS automatically manage your database through the following flow. User interaction. You as the user interact via web or API to manage database instance. To access data, your request go through DNS or firewall and then forward the cluster. Cluster process data is the cluster is the core where your data is stored and all database process run. Automate support system work behind the scenes. The system is fully supported by high availability, backup, migration, scheduling, monitoring. All of this work seamlessly behind the scene, ensuring your database is secure, fast, and always available without requiring manual intervention from you. Now, let's talk about Instant. An RDS Instant is a database service running on virtual computing environment. This means you get a dedicated, isolated database server, but you don't need to manage the physical hardware. This virtual environment is transparent to you. Configurable configurable component as a user, you have full control to decide various capability of your RDS intent, such as DB engine, CPU, memory, storage, network, and how to choose instant. Alibaba Cloud RDS offer a variety of instant edition to meet diverse needs from the most basic to most complete. Number one, uh, instant basic edition, most cost effective for development and test. Number two, have high availability and edition, Master Slot. Number three, Enterprise Edition. Number four, Cluster Edition. Right now, Instant Tab. Alibaba Cloud RDS offer two main Instant Tab, which differ in how physical resources are allocated. Number two, General Purpose Instant, highly cost effective. CPU resource and storage throughput are shared with other user located on the same physical host, suitable for workload that don't require consistently peak perform or have variable usage. The general purpose dedicated instance provide fully dedicated CPU and memory resource exclusively for you. Storage space is reserved for higher and consistent input-output perform. Ideal for critical, high-perform workload or application requiring full resource isolation. Instant backup using local disk and cloud disk. This slide illustrates the fundamental difference in backup functionality you will encounter depending on whether your RDS instance is local disk or cloud disk. Local disk costs no extra charge is needed if total backup data is below 500 50% of the port's instant storage. Access offline storage. Cloud disk backup type. This instant cannot make physical or logical backup. Instead, they only make snapshot backup similar to ECS instant access. Snapshot backup cannot be downloaded directly from the console. Benefit, however, snapshot you can be made quickly and regularly on schedule like automatic physical backup on local disk. RDS automatic and manual backup. Apsara DB RDS provide to flexible backup method to protect your data. Automatic backup user can configure a backup policy including the timing for RDS data and log backup. Support physical backup for instance with the local disk or snapshot backup for instance with cloud disk. Manual backup user can perform backup at any time as needed. Support both physical and logical backup. RDS data recovery. Apsara DB RDS offer two main scenarios for data recovery, providing flexibility for different needs. Restore the original or new instance, restore RDS MySQL instance data to a temporary or new instance with the help of data transmission service. Restore individual database or specific table within RDS MySQL. MySQL instance even allow cross-region data recovery for an RDS MySQL instance. Restore to a user-created database. Store data from physical or logical RDS backup to your self-managed or on-premise database. For point-in-time recovery or to an unreleased instance, use data transmission service for migration. Disaster recovery with DTS. This diagram illustrates a cross-region disaster recovery architecture using data transmission service, ensuring your business continuity even in the worst case disaster scenario. DTA, data transmission service enable cross-region disaster recovery for Apsara DBRDS by replicating transaction log from the master instance in one region to instance in another region, ensuring high availability and business continuity. continuity. After disaster recovery, let's see how RDS optimized perform with read-only instance. The purpose read pressure and on the master instance. How it works: read-only instance handle and read requests with automatic read or write splitting via SLB benefit horizontally scale database read capacity. This diagram shows how Apsara DBRDS automatically divide application requests read to read-only instance, read the master through the SLBs to optimize database performance and scalability. Diversified data storage. Alibaba Cloud extend RDS storage from various data types, such Redis for highly concurrent hot data, fast response, and high QPS. SaraDB DB for RDS, the main database for structured data, for unstructured data, cost-effective, scalable, reducing RDS load, to optimize your storage cost, perform, and scalability. This image explains Alibaba Cloud diversified data storage and strategy, showing how different types of data are organized and stored using different services for optimal efficiency and performance.